Every home has technology needs. Depending on our lifestyle, our needs can range from the basics like TV, Wi-Fi, and an alarm system, or include features that are increasing in popularity such as house-wide music, smart lighting, motorized shades, maybe even a home theater. Yes, the smart home has come of age and makes living in your home more fun, convenient, and safer. A big question for both consumers and design and building professionals is, how much do these options cost? There is an answer. The Home Technology Association, also known as the HTA, created a technology budget calculator that creates a budget range in just a few minutes. It demystifies how much money should be allocated for the home's technology needs. The HTA helps homeowners, architects, interior designers, and builders find the most qualified installation firms to install home technology. Here's a link from the HTA's homepage to the budget calculator, though I will switch tabs to a budget I already created to save some time. As you can see as I scroll through this, the calculator presents a series of simple questions and then delivers realistic installed cost budget ranges. It includes pre-wiring, house-wide music, TV systems, home theater and media rooms, security and camera systems, Wi-Fi networks, phone and intercom, smart lighting, motorized shades, smart home control systems, and even an allowance for high-end architectural finishes, mirror televisions, and motorized concealment systems. The budget range starts with basic, modest-cost home technologies and scales up to ultra-luxury and high performance. When completed, save the results by sending them to yourself, your architect, etc. by entering email addresses here. If you are looking for someone to install these systems, you'll find the most qualified firms on this same website. You'll find firms that meet the HTA's stringent standards by using the installer search engine, which is accessed at this link right here. If you are a design or build professional, you'll instantly realize how useful this tool is. This is an objective tool to share with your clients that helps them and you account for their home's technology needs early. The HTA promotes defining technology needs early in the home design process. Why? The reasons are highlighted in this article right here. This article gives specific details on how early planning will lead to better aesthetic choices and greatly minimize change orders later. Have more questions about technology? Read the educational articles on the HTA's website, accessed here. And then reach out to an HTA certified firm near you.